Okay, inside we can see this box. I think pretty decent box, I assume, I say. So it has the instructions in here, where can we use it, and all the parts that are in here. So it also said that with 2 LED lights this mode can work as well in darkness. Well, that's good for us. And also 3 pieces of AA battery, so no worries about that. I already prepared my battery for the testing. So let's open it. Okay, inside we have the instructions on maybe how to assemble it. Okay, this is on Chinese, so here is in English. Okay, let's keep that aside. Let's open the box, and inside you can see that it's okay. Sorry for that. I can just continue my unboxing because there's a reminder that popped up in my cell phone. So let's open it. Inside, in bubble pack, we have on the first package we have the pole. Okay, the pole. Maybe this will hold the alligator clips. And we have this soldering iron stand and this clamp. Don't know how this gets stuck in here. Oh, okay, there it is. Soldering iron stand, another clip, this alligator clip. Oh, this alligator clip's pretty decent. I think this will not damage your PCB at all because it's not that sharp. As you can see, I can clamp my hand and it doesn't hurt that much. Okay, the size, it's around, where's the inch? Okay, it's around 2.5 inch. I don't know if you can, around 2.5 inch in length. And there's 2 of those. Okay, another one and another clamp. Okay, let's set aside. On the second bubble pack, I think we have the LED and the stand. Yes, so we have the stand and the magnifier. Oh, this magnifier is pretty strong, I think, but it's made of plastic. It's pretty good, as you can see. And there's a second small part of the magnifier here. I don't know if it'll rotate. Maybe later, or I will try it. Okay, underneath we have the battery compartment. Okay, and on the side we have this. I think this goes with the soldering iron holder. Okay, like this. Okay, no movement at all. It's good. Okay, now I will try to assemble it. Let's disengage the pole. Okay, then this one will go here. I haven't read the instructions, so sorry for that. Just bear with me. I think I'm doing it right, by the way. Okay, put it here and in here. Oops. Okay, got it. Okay, just tighten it a bit. I don't know if I used the correct one, but it's just the same. So, okay, just continue. Okay. Okay, I might need a help of a pliers to tighten it up. Okay, there it is. It's tightened up, I think. Then I'm gonna putting those. Hey, it's all the same, no mistakes. Okay, we'll put now the alligator clips. I got one, and on the other side. Okay. I think it's better on the side. Okay. Tighten it up again. Oops. Okay. Do those and on the side. Oops. Okay, there you go. It's all assembled. What I have to do now is to tighten it all up. Okay. So, oh, last thing, soldering iron holder. There it is. So this is how it's assembled. Now I'm gonna be trying this LED light. Oops. This is a bit, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bit wiggling, but I think it's not a problem for me. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting the batteries so I can test the LED lights. By the way, don't worry about this base because on the manual they say that. Okay, now I'm gonna be trying to put the 3 batteries. This is a AAA batteries. Okay, one. Mind the polarity, by the way. Okay, there's the battery inserted. By the way, I just cut my video a while ago. I'm saying that there's a weight inside this base, so don't bother thinking that it will not hold enough for a heavy lift or a heavy PCB that we will be working on. Okay, so I will try the light now. Oh my god, I think there's a problem. It's not lighting. One issue, it's not lighting. Okay, we'll check the battery again. Oh, got it wrong. I'm reminding about the polarity and I'm wrong. Oh, there it is. LED light. Okay, there it is. There's the LED light. As you can see, it's pretty. Okay, it's pretty bright for my side. It's pretty good. I will gonna turn off the light so that you can see how bright it is. Okay. Hey, there it is. I still have a secondary light, but it's still bright. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, so that you can compare the magnification of this one. Pretty good, not bad. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the light back. Hey. Okay, for my first impression, it's pretty good, but I have an issue on these clamps. It doesn't hold that much. Okay, doesn't hold that much, and for that I will gonna try to test it in a 200 grams weight. I have here a weight. This is 200 grams. I don't know if you can see it clear. There it is, 200 grams. I'm gonna see if we'll hold it when it's clamped. It's clipped under the alligator clip. Okay, wait, I'll just remove this one. I'm gonna try to put it in a strong hold. Okay. Okay, that's as strong as I can do it. I'm gonna tie something in here to test for the weight. Okay. Don't know if this will hold. Let's test it. $200 grams. It doesn't hold it that much. Maybe because I'm not using two alligator clips. Let's use the two. It fails the 200 gram test. Oh, well, in my opinion, 200 grams is pretty heavy compared to this PCB. On the PCB, I have no comment regarding this. It holds pretty well. I can see it well also. Well, this neck, in my opinion, is pretty short. It's not extending at all. Or maybe I just need to twist this one. Anyways, that's one of my comments. This is pretty short for me. That's still good. I have the light, and I have the magnification I want. Okay. Okay, there it is. It's just a matter of repositioning. Okay. Now I'll try the soldering iron stand. I have here my soldering iron. Okay, I think it's pretty good. The positioning, it will not hit the bottom if ever my soldering iron gets hot. Okay, it's good. I can solder, I can put my soldering iron. Okay, pretty decent. That's my review on this helping hand tool from Lazada.com. And for my final interpretation on this, what I can say, it holds pretty good. The alligator grips are pretty decent, and the only comment I have in this is this neck, or this flexible neck of this LED is pretty short for me. I think I will just do my best so that I can use this magnification with this one. Maybe I need to twist this one, this joints in here. Okay, but this will help then. Okay, that's it. If you have any comments, suggestions, or anything you want to ask regarding this, you can put a comment below. I will also put the description and the link to the website where I bought it so that you can check it out. Okay, bye. Please subscribe, by the way, like, comments, and share for you. Thank you.